Okay, so we will do next problem. Actually, in between little bit of internet issue was occurred, so that's why it was disconnected. Okay, no problem. Now I will go through this one. What is that? So 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus and so on n cube is equal to n square into n plus 1 whole square divided by 4. Okay, so for this LHS, that is n cube means 1 cube is equal to 1, RHS means this one. In this I substituted, I got 1. So LHS is equal to RHS. So LHS is equal to RHS means it is true for n is equal to 1. Now let us move on to another condition for n is equal to k, right? So n is equal to k. So assume statement is true, statement is true for n is equal to k. Okay, so n is equal to k, we need to assume it is true means 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus and so on plus n cube is n value is k. So k cube is equal to k square into k plus 1 whole square divided by 4. Okay, so now for n is equal to k plus 1 we need to prove for n is equal to k plus 1. So this is main important condition. So for this we need to get that is k plus 1th term. K plus 1th term. What will be k plus 1th term? K plus 1 whole cube. Just as I said, kth term is k cube. K plus 1th term is k plus 1 whole cube. Okay, so this is the method. Now I add for this total. So what we get, 1 cube plus 2 cube plus and so on plus k cube plus this term we need to add, k plus 1 whole cube is equal to k square into k plus 1 whole square divided by 4 plus k plus 1 whole cube. Okay, so both sides I added. Now after this what we need to get, that is k plus 1 whole square into k plus 1 plus 1 whole square divided by 4. This is we need to prove. Instead of n is equal to k plus 1, we need to get that answer. Okay, so for that I will simplify this. Okay, so how to simplify? Easiest method is take LCM. So here we get k square into k plus 1 whole square plus 4 into k plus 1 whole cube. From total we can take out common k plus 1 whole square. Then what we get? K square plus 4 into k plus 1 divided by 4. Okay, so we can simplify this. How can we write? K plus 1 whole square into then k square plus 4k plus 4 divided by 4. So k square plus 4k plus 4 we can write it as k plus 2 whole square, a plus b whole square form. So we can write it as k plus 1 whole square into this is k plus 2 whole square divided by 4. That means k plus 1 whole square into k plus 2, I will write it as k plus 1 whole square divided by 4. So as we expected, this is the condition, and we got that condition. Okay, so here we can say that therefore given statement is true for n is equal to k plus 1. Hence, by mathematical induction, that statement is true. That statement is true. Okay. So previous problem and this problem, these are most important. Maximum question will come from these two for 5 marks. Okay. So thanks for watching.